So I want to start the tour of my house with the front door where I put the targeting that Dad and I just did. As you come through the front door, we've got Mom's paintings and some nice artwork. And I made this my mudroom with the shoes and everything we need for the dog and her leash. Lots of coats and hats so far. Another Mama painting. Before I get in the living room, right here in the front is where you go into my room. This is my beautiful room. And that goes out to the street. Tons of closet space. Love it. Love my room. And then my bathroom is right here. And I love my bathroom too because the reason I love my bathroom so much is when you open this window, you can hear the ocean while you're in the bathroom. It's beautiful. I love it. This is where we keep the hot water heater tank and our vacuums and such. And then here's our living room. It's beautiful. Fireplace works great. My chair, ocean, desk, TV. Alki? Alki, say hi. Hello. She's being calm this morning. Here's another view. This is my little corner because this window opens right here and I'll be able to hear the ocean. Place to put all the firewood. Beth's little corner. That's a map of America. You can't really tell. Yeah. All our sayings and such. Really, really turned out nice. Our desk. So I swivel my chair around every morning and I sit and look at this as I'm preparing my day. I have these great chairs. And then as you come out into the kitchen area, out on the porch, we've got a spot where we can have breakfast. And then Alki's little corner. And then we've got this beautiful cabinet area where we can store things. And then we've got our little breakfast table. We have binoculars so we can see the things outside, like the sea lions. And here's our nice kitchen. It's been great. Tons and tons of storage area. The dishwasher's brand new. Nice oven, coffee, everything we need. Everything we need. Washer and dryer works great. Place for the garbage. Place to plan. And we're back to the front. And this is a closed in floor. There's only three apartments on the floor. That's it. And then you go down those steps, right? Either way, you can go down the steps at either door. One flight, and you get to the exit, which is secured. And we're calling this the birdhouse because both Beth and Alki's nicknames are Birdie. Look at that girl. Look at that girl. She's so pretty. Hi. Who are we talking to? You want to say hi to Nana and Papa? Where's Papa? Where's Papa? Where's Papa? Where's the Papa? Where is he? Where's Papa? Where's the Papa? Where's the Nana? Where's Nana? Where's the Nana? Okay, I love you guys. Thank you for looking. Oh, did you see the Mama's artwork? That turned out beautiful too.